baby.
First of all, you're going to stay here, and you were going to get yourself warm. I sent John and Mike scouting out ahead. Arthur and I are going to ride out, see if we can find one of them. Yes, just for a short bit. I don't see what other choice we have. Listen, listen to me, all you, for a moment. Now, we've had a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny, Dawn, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground in their stead, I'd do it. But we're gonna ride out and we're gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. By the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. And they be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong. Stay with me. We ain't done yet. Come on, Arthur.
All right.
We ain't run out of it yet. So, they both must have headed down the hill.
Oh, hey, I ain't had time to ask you. What really went down back there on that boat?
We miss you. That's what happened. Come on. Oh. Hey, you know what? Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. Rest that hand.
I'll live.
Get indoors, son. Right. We need you strong. Okay. Come on, let's go.
Ain't sure what we're gonna find out here, Jack.
We have to try. Stay close and we'll do our best to stick to the trail. Come on, Arthur. Let's stay close. So, now, where were we?
This goddamn weather.
Been 2 days or more like this now. Oh, it has to blow over soon. Careful over this bridge here. Oh, whoa.
Can't believe we lost Davy, too.
He's the last one, Arthur. No more. We need to get those people warm and fed.
At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this.
A couple more days. We'll be on the other side. You help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now.
We got fire and shelter. And what about the money?
Hey, I think I see something up the path. You over here. Who's here?
Mike. Scanlan.
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing. Light and noise. Sounded like a
grab as many supplies as you can. We need the essentials. Food, medicine, O'Driscoll. I don't believe it. It's a strange one, all right. Maybe they're hiding up here, too. There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head. Nearly as big as the one on yours. Wanting Colm dead is about the only thing me and Uncle Sam agreed on. Place is dry, warm. We could maybe move the women and Jack down here. Maybe. We'll see how they are when we get back. I don't really want us to split up. Starving. You should eat something now. Get your strength up for the ride back. Oh, looks like the poor bastard was married too. At some point. If we can't eat it or drink it, put it down. Keep searching while I pack these on the horses. Micah, Arthur, keep looking for stuff. Arthur, go
okay. We're bad men. We ain't them. It's okay. Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss? Miss
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler. Mrs. He's my husband.
Hey! Somebody's coming! Looks like it's Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back! How'd you get on? Mike had found a homestead. We weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there. There is more about, apparently. Scouting the train.
Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, warm her up, give her a drink of something. And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea pushed away this morning. We put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.
Ain't been seen in days. Whether he let up. He's strong and he's smart. Strong. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. You?
I need you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to ask, but
It's little John. He's got himself caught in a scrape
he
again.
ain't been seen in two days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier,
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the two best fit men we've got.
Now?
Jeez, we're pretty worried about you.
I know.
The situation were reversed.
Look for me.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know, John was headed up the river. For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back. He wouldn't leave. Not like that. Wouldn't be the first time.
What's wrong with me, Jesus?
You were just talking about something.
We had the money, it seemed fine. Then suddenly they were everywhere.
Peekaboo.
Hey, why are you getting off? So, like you were saying before.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkerton. It was crazy. Raining bullets. Watch out for this crevice. There's some tracks leading to the river. Let's cross. See, there's continuing that way.
Think it's John?
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure, but what are you shooting at? These are horse tracks for sure, but could be anyone. You should see where they lead.
So, you were there, Javier. What really happened on that boat?
We had the money, it seemed fine. And suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkerton. It was crazy. Raining bullets. Take it slow. Take this in here. Dutch killed a girl in a bad way. But it was a bad situation.
That ain't like him.
Tracks go left. Down here. Davey got shot. Mac and John both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Bad business, all right. That snow's coming in hard again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast. Careful, it's getting narrow here.
Come on. Horse struck.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. We can't follow nothing.
Now let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Almost there. Come on there.
Hey, look!
Yeye katoa paa.